Come on, sweetie. You gonna give Daddy a hand?
Yes.
Don't know.
Daddy's gonna get your drill working. You ready? Here we go.
This.
A wrench.
Coco. Put the batteries in. Yeah. Look.
A nut and bolt.
Coco.
What's this?
I don't know. Daddy, what's that?
I actually don't know myself.
Daddy doesn't know either, Coco. Should we make up a name for it? What is it?
I don't know.
I
No.
think it's supposed to be a drill bit.
Drill bit.
Oh, what's drill bit?
Drill bit?
What's drill bit? What's a drill bit?
I don't know.
Right, Coco. Here we go.
Here we go. You ready? Oh.
I don't do that. That's right. That's right.
So you got gears. Look. First gear. Second gear. Here you go.
What are we going to drill, Coco?
I don't know. I've got the same of Daddy's one.
Easy.
Yep.
It's all working now. You can pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger and make it go?
You can do it.
Well, no, you
Don't
can
be
do
scared.
it.
You can do it.
I can scare you. I can scare you.
Go on. Make it work.
I can't do it.
Maybe
Okay.
drill the fridge. What do you
drill the
think?
fridge. You drill a hole in the fridge?
Drill a hole in the fridge. Go on. Give it a go. Go on. You ready?
I'm gonna scare.
Go on. Drill a hole in the fridge.
No, in the kitchen.
It's all working now. You drill.
Go on.
I did the Christmas tree.
Okay, drill the Christmas tree then. Off you go.
What's that in my bum?
What?
That's in my bum. What's that in my bum?
I don't know.
Can I show you something, Coco? If you drill, watch this. If you put this bit in, you watch. We'll put this bit in. You go like this. You go. Take that one out. And put this one in. And we can go. See?
Oh, do that. Oh, do that.
There you go.
Oh, do that. Oh, do that.
There you go. You put it in there. And you pull the trigger. Ready?
I'll do it.
That's it. Keep going. Pull the trigger. That's it. One more.
This one.
Yes, you can. I don't know what that one does actually, but we can do this one.
I'll give mine five.
There you go.
And this side.
Yeah, that's all you got to use the spanner for. So you go. That's the spanner. See? Look.
This side. And
Yeah.
the business.
Do you want to undo it? If you want to undo it, you go. See that button? You push that one over there. Now you can undo it. Ready? Go. Push the trigger.
We need something to fix it.
Is it not working? Is that? Hang on, we need to go on full power. There we go. It doesn't like reverse. I don't think I've got a very good connection on it. Hang on.
No.
Can I?
I don't feel the foot in the hole.
Okay, Okay, drill a hole in the fridge. Let's go. You ready?
Not it.
Uh-huh.
Dad fixed it.
Well, Daddy, you have to give the drill to Daddy before he can fix it.
Here?
Yep.
Okay. It's on the rack.
No, Daddy needs to look at it, sweetie. Thank you, darling. Let's see what I can do.
Oh, do that? Okay, alright.
Okay, let's go. Let's do it.
This.
Yep.
Oh, it didn't work.
Push the button.
This button. Now
Can I just, Daddy, have it just a minute, sweetie? He's trying to sort it out for you.
this button.
Yes.
Look at the work.
Daddy will fix it, darling, and then you'll be able to drill a hole in the fridge.
What's he?
I don't know. Nana gave you that.
What's he?
Hey?
What I say when it was Nana's birthday?
I don't know. What did you say when it was Nana's birthday?
I don't know.
Did you say happy birthday, Nana, maybe?
No. La 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 la, happy day, Nana.
Yeah.
Not Nana. Nana. I don't know what the word. Nana, Nana. Happy birthday, Nana. Not happy birthday, Nana, Nana. What's my drill doing?
I don't know, Coco. It's not working, is it? Right, come here. Should we put it back together now? Put the battery back on.